Good afternoon. This is the 4 p.m. update for the severe thunderstorm threat for Thursday, June 19th, 2025. We're going to focus pretty much on the radar for this update. As you can see, we have plenty of lines of thunderstorms moving through. Now, I've updated this map from WeatherTap to include our highways and also the severe thunderstorm warnings and the frontal features. And as you can see here, thus far, knock on wood, we haven't received any tornado warnings, but we certainly have seen plenty of severe thunderstorm warnings, warning of very strong wind gusts pushing over 60 miles per hour, 70 miles per hour. And you can see down here in the southern mid-Atlantic, that Boeing structure that we've been talking about since yesterday, showing up very nicely on the radar. And again, there's our cluster of thunderstorms. Now, much like I said yesterday, and this morning, and premium members, I've went over this as well with greater detail. The stronger lifting to the north and also to the south is suppressing some of the development over northeastern Pennsylvania and around the New York City metro. So while we're not seeing these large lines yet, we are seeing some of these thunderstorms that are popping up. But this feature right here and this feature right here is what we're going to be watching for through the rest of the evening. As we move on through the evening, this feature here will get to eastern Pennsylvania before weakening. And as the instability declines, then we'll start to see weakening after 6 p.m. But we're going to be watching this line very carefully. And this line is going to be a threat for the Philadelphia metro. So let's zoom in and take a look at this setup here. Again, this is the I-95 corridor here. You can see the urban heat island effect pushing your temperatures anywhere between 3 to 6 degrees above everyone else in the region. And so as a result, you get this buildup of heat, the buildup of rising motion, and the ability for these thunderstorms to feed on that heat and humidity. So what we're watching is the northern edge of this line that is currently just pushing into Lancaster County that will push towards the Philadelphia metro and has the potential here, based on some of our mesoscale models, the HRR and the NAM, of expanding and pushing up to about central New Jersey. So this line has a significant threat of impacting the Philadelphia metro, central New Jersey, and southern New Jersey as we move on through the evening hours. Then this line here is going to continue to linger around the New York City metro, producing more of a threat for heavy rainfall than anything else and vivid lightning. So there's definitely going to be a potential here for some urban flooding that we're going to watch around Newark, New York City, portions of western Long Island, and southwestern Connecticut and the Hudson River Valley. Meanwhile, down here, I'd be very, very concerned right now for strong wind gusts. Watch out for a Boeing structure trying to take shape out here, marching through Lancaster, heading towards Westchester, and then the Philadelphia metro, and then through southern and central New Jersey, Monmouth, Ocean, Burlington counties, all the way down to Atlantic County, eventually Cape May County. Those areas are in a prime setup for the potential for severe thunderstorms this evening. We'll continue to monitor this threat as we go on through the afternoon into the evening hours. So, in the meantime, stay safe out there.